Stop!
We are very fucked up.
Wait a minute. What's my motherfucking name? Go like this. Go like this. Chicka 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 Slim Shady.
Chicka 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 Slim Shady.
LA.
My name is.
My name is.
My name is.
Slim Shady.
My name is.
My name is.
My name is.
Slim Shady.
My name is. My name is. My name is. Slim Shady. My name is.
Sound like y'all know the words of this one.
My name is.
Slim Shady.
Hi,
Kids, do you like pilots? Wanna see me stick 9-inch nails to each one of my eyelids? Wanna copy me and do exactly like I did? Try sit and get fucked up
Worse than my life is.
My brain's that way. I'm trying to get my head straight, but I can't figure out which Spice Girl I want to impress. Dr. Dre said,
Slim Shady, you a basic. Why's your face red, man? You wasted.
well, since age 12, I felt like I'm someone else, cause I hung my original self on the top bunk with a belt. Got ticked off, I read Pamela Lee's sits off, smacked her so hard I knocked her close back
Was
with
like
like
crisscross.
I smoke a fat pound of grass and fall on my ass faster than a fat man who sat down too fast. Come here, ladies.
Shady, wait a minute, that's my girl, dog.
I don't give a damn, Dre sent me to take the world off. My name is.
What?
My name is.
Who?
My name is. Slim Shady.
Hi.
My name is.
What?
My name is.
What?
My name is. Slim Shady.
Hi.
My name is.
What?
My name is.
What?
My name is. Slim Shady. My name is. My name is. My name is. Slim Shady. My English teacher wanted to fuck me in junior high.
What?
Next to me. I smacked him in his face with an eraser, chased him with a stapler, and stapled his nuts to a stack of paper. Walked in a strip club, had my jacket zipped up, flashed a bartender, and stuck my dick in a tip cup. Extraterrestrial, running over pedestrians in a spaceship while they're screaming at me.
Let's just be friends.
99% of my life I was lied to. I just found out my mom does more dope.
than I do.
I told her I'd grow up to be a famous rapper, make a record about doing drugs and name it after her. You know you blew up when the women rush your stands and try to touch your hands like two screaming Usher fans. This guy at White Castle asked for my autograph, so I signed it.
Dear Dave, thanks for the support, asshole.
Hi, my name is. My name is. My name is. Slim Shady. Hi, my name is. My name is. My name is. Slim Shady. Hi, my name is. My name is. My name is. Slim Shady. Hi, my name is. My name is. My name is. Slim Shady. Stop the tape. This kid needs to be locked away.
What?
Dr. Dre, don't just stand there and operate. I'm not ready to leave. It's too scary to die. I'll have to be carried inside the cemetery and buried alive.
Am I coming or going?
I can barely decide. I just drank a fifth of vodka. Dare me to drive?
Go
ahead. All my life I was very deprived. I ain't had a woman in years. My palms are too hairy to hide. Close ripped like the Incredible Hulk. I spit when I talk.
I fuck anything that walks.
When I was little, I used to get so hungry I would throw fits.
How you gonna breastfeed me, man? You ain't got no tits.
I lay awake and strap myself in the bed with a bulletproof vest on and shoot myself in the head. Man, I'm steaming mad. By the way, when you see my dad, tell him that I slit his throat in this dream I had. My name is. My name is. LA, sing that shit. Slim Shady. My name is. My name is. My name is. Slim Shady. Hi. My name is. My name is. My name is. Slim Shady. Hi. My name is. My name is. My name is. Slim Shady.
Where the fuck y'all at?
Hey, yo.
Everybody, we want y'all to bounce. Get close to that and bounce. Bounce. Bounce, Slim Shady.
Say ho.
Hey, look.
Say ho, ho.
Bounce, Slim Shady.
What?
Yo, hold on.